It says, "Happy birthday, princess." Kylie, you're the birthday princess. You're the birthday star. Everything that's sweet and nice is everything you are. Happiest second birthday. Hope your day is a royal treat. Love, Aunt Melly and David. Yay, Kitty! Which one is from here?
All of these monkey ones are here. Here you go. Rip it.
Okay,
Rip it! Rip it! Rip it!
You need some help?
Rip it! Rip it!
Rip it. Oh, yeah.
All right!
Monkeys, huh? Is it cute?
Soft.
All right! All right! Yeah, rip it! Rip it! Rip it!
Hey, look at Mama. Hey, look over here. Rip it. She's like, you gotta help me get it started. All right, Mommy, here you go. Here you go, rip it. Come on, you can do it.
Rip it! Rip it!
Who is that?
All right! Yay!
Good
Good
job.
job.
Is that cool? It's Dora's big birthday surprise. You want another one?
Rip it! All right! What do you got?
Pull it, pull it, pull it. Open it, open it.
Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Oh, what is it? What'd you get? Dora stories?
Show Mommy. Show me.
Show
What is
mommy
it?
what you got.
Show me
Show
what you
mommy.
got.
Show mommy what you got.
Ooh, look at Mama.
That's right.
Dora the Explorer. She's like more.
Rip it! Rip it!
It's a YouTube video.
Rip it!
Yeah, really. That would be funny.
Oh, what'd you get? Whoa!
Froggies. Are they froggies?
Those monkeys be... Honey, pay attention.
Froggies? Are they froggies?
Yay!
Those are cute.
I know, but I
no,
just
this is
wanted
not a
everybody to
present.
give her
This is for the
3P.
garbage.
And now I'm kind of worried because 3P actually ends up being kind of long on her. Like, she's kind of like a cross between 2P and 3P.
Better to go big than small.
That's all. Yeah, that's true. Ooh, is that a card from Mama and Dada?
Let's read it. The card says, "Who's the cutest little princess? Who's 2 today? It's you, of course. Happy second birthday. Kylie Bear, I love you the most. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy second birthday, tiny princess. Daddy loves you. Yay! Let's open this one. Rip it! Rip it!
There you go. Oh, you give it like the most exciting one first.
Oh, I blew it.
One of the most exciting ones.
What is it? What do you got?
What is it?
Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Yay! Yeah, it's backpack.
Is that a map on the side?
Is it your map?
That is so cute.
It's a map.
I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. You got backpack?
Wow. It's a real backpack.
Cool.
You can actually put stuff in him.
Backpack.
And you
Backpack.
can wear it.
Backpack. There you go. Rip it.
Sweet. Gonna lose her voice.
pajamas.
Ooh,
Yeah, that
elephant.
Elephant.
All right.
Like a soft present.
Next.
Who cares?
Next. Rip it. Rip it, rip it. What do you got? You got letters?
Are they letters?
Cool.
Ooh, are they magnets for the refrigerator?
Cool. All right. All right.